Today is Saturday, June 18th is T-bone steak. You already know. Today we are going to marinate steaks. We also have some lobster tails that we're going to having a seafood macaroni. Also, I believe we're going to nice and tender when they get on that grill and not tough. So let's get. I'm going to use some extra virgin olive oil to make a base on there, and we're using all-purpose because it has everything I need in there. Okay, has everything, and then we're going on the top with some steak seasoning. So we're going to do that, and then also I love foodlion. Foodlion has been doing a really good job with their stuff. A couple of cloves of garlic just around the meat to marinate all night, just to give. A bulb of garlic. It is so pretty. Oh, it's so pretty. I gotta get my big piece of garlic. It's so pretty. Are you gonna let me open it? It's still got the skin on. It's clean. Just clean my floors. There we go. Uh-oh. This bad boy. Either he on steroids. Alright, y'all. Let's